Hello everyone, what's up? Como ye? It's Jasmine here and okay, I'm gonna wait because I'm trying to talk. Hello everyone, como ye? Sakafet, it's your girl Jasmine here. Thank you so much for coming through to my channel today. Today's video is going to be a real good one, okay? If you haven't subscribed yet, you might as well do so because I make videos every Sunday and Thursday and sometimes on a Tuesday when I have the time. Subscribe, right? And turn on the notifications. That way whenever I post a video, you are going to be the very first to know. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my lighting setup, my camera setup, and all that jazz. I've done this kind of video in the past, but I figure I do it now being that my whole backdrop has changed. This whole space has changed. You know, Alan has moved in. I've tried to carve a space out for myself to do these videos, and I feel like I found a really good spot to do them. And we're back here in the corner of this room. It may look different because I did switch out my computer table for this chrome shelving unit. I mentioned this on the blog, so if you haven't seen that yet, I'll be sure to link it down below for you guys so you can see the before and after. Currently I'm filming here. It's right near my full-length mirror. I have my ring light right behind the camera here, and to light the back of this scene I have a small ring light that will illuminate the backdrop here. And just so you can see what I'm talking about, I have another camera that is showing you exactly what this whole layout is looking like from another angle. I like this part of the room because with this shelving unit in the back, I can switch things out to kind of match the topic of today's video or whatever video I plan on filming. Right now I didn't really feel like doing anything, except I did put my new camera box here. I didn't even open it yet, but that's just neither here nor there. I usually like to film here, right here in the corner of my room. This is where the closet is over here, and of course the chrome shelving unit here, and my Alex drawers over here. I currently am looking at my viewfinder here because I cannot look on this camera. This camera doesn't have a flip out screen, so I just use my laptop, which I am going to be showing you in a little bit. As far as the viewfinder on my computer, I just downloaded the EOS Utility 2 software or whatever, and I'm able to see what the camera is recording from my laptop basically, which is awesome. So I try to keep the camera settings the same, although it does change from time to time depending on how intense the sun is. The sun is not really as intense here, but sometimes it does get a little bright. Right now, I guess we can talk about this whole live view window that I have here. And I usually always focus on my face, and you see I like to keep this little cursor between 0 and 1. Now if I bump up the ISO, it's gonna get really, really bright. So I'm just keeping it here. I can even darken it a bit, but actually this is supposed to be like the perfect setup for me because the cursor is right on 0. But sometimes for some reason the lighting conditions are really dim, and so I like to just add just one more for safety, you know. So I usually keep it like this, but I always keep it at 1/50 as far as the shutter speed. The aperture I love to keep at 1.4 just because I love that blurry background. And as far as the ISO, sometimes that changes. Right now it's at 160, but sometimes I have it at 200 or 250 depending on how dark my whole setup is. It's really simple and easy. I really love this part of my room because it just adds a bit more personality. I feel like the backdrop is kind of cluttered right now, but it's okay, I guess. I am going to show you exactly what I'm looking at from my other camera view. This is what I face when I film every day. The ring light is right behind my camera. Currently I'm filming on the 7D Mark II. Right here is my makeup section, and I always keep this curtain closed. This is the only curtain that remains open, and please pardon that corner of the room. I like to push things. on the other side. And right here is where I keep my viewfinder on my laptop. This is the light that illuminates my backdrop, and I have it all the way to max. Usually when I'm filming over here, I got nothing but sweats on, and sometimes I have my pajama pants on, but that's neither here nor there, okay? I mean, I feel like this is a very simple video. I just wanted to show you what my lighting setup and my camera setup looks like. I just usually keep my camera right next to my makeup table, and I usually just keep my equipment as is right here. I don't move it. This chair usually goes by my makeup little table. This little thing that is here where my laptop is sitting, this is actually for my plant. I take it every time I film my video. So sometimes I film from the window, but you never know when the light becomes really intense or really dim. So I just like it here where I can just control my lighting conditions. That's pretty much it. If you guys want to know the type of lens I'm using the Sigma 30mm lens 1.4. I also have a Rode mic on there as well. I'll be sure to link everything from my camera to my audio mic to my lights to the EOS software in the description box down below for you guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, then please give me a thumbs up. I would love to know what other sorts of tech videos you want me to film. I am taking requests. I'm making sure to take notes on these, so let me know in the comment section down below what you guys want to see from me as far as like tech and lighting setups and stuff like that. I'll be sure to film that for you guys. Of course, be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and for those of you who are subscribed, please turn on the notifications. That way whenever I post a video, you will know. I'm signing out. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.